Today I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Whop app or website in just a few quick steps. Whether you're using Whop on desktop or in your browser, this is a simple setting that can make the platform much easier to navigate if you prefer a different language. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and app guides just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed because that's where you'll be able to access your profile and settings options. If you're on another page, just return to the main home area before continuing. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options from here. Move your cursor over the language option in the menu. When you hover over it, the list of available languages should expand automatically, making it easy to see your choices. Next, simply select your preferred language from the list. As soon as you click it, Whop will instantly update the interface to your selected language. There's no complicated setup, no extra confirmation step, and in most cases the change happens right away. If you don't see the language you want at first, take a moment to slowly check the drop-down list again and make sure you're hovering over the correct option. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Whop. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and now you can use the platform in the language that works best for you. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial.